Okay, here we go. Our swing color. The chemical I'll be using is lightener with 10 volume. And I want to get the color just slightly light. That's why I lowered the developer to a 10. So the inspiration for this color technique is following the haircut. The haircut is shorter on the right and I build my length to longer on the left. So my chemical process, my foils, I'll take the right portion a lot heavier. And now through the back, this is my transition area. So I'll work with diagonal sections and I'll slice the hair or weave the hair from finer to thinner. Okay, and as you start doing your foil works, just make sure that you always get the chemical right up there at the root, but without passing the line. You don't want the foils to leak out any chemicals because you'll end up with rabbits, and those are pretty hard to correct. So again, through the back, working with diagonal sections, and I just slice the hair from thicker to finer. So my color, I'm building up my color through the right portion, and I'll gradually build the color down through the left. So this back portion again is my transition area. Through the left side of this technique, again, since I'm building my color down through the left portion, here I'll start to weave and I'll start working in, my sections here are a little bit thicker, so there's more separation in between each foil. And again, I'm going in and I'll weave and slice the hair a bit finer. Working with horizontal sections all the way to the parietal area. And here again, as I slice this hair, I'm slicing it from the rear, heavier, right at the front hairline, very, very fine. So again, my technique is still consistent with the overall end result that I aim to achieve, which is a slightly asymmetric color, where again, the right side is heavier, the left side has a lighter effect. Okay, now through the front area, I'll be working slightly herringbone, and I'm taking in diagonal sections. Now notice how I left that hairline out, again, because I'm transitioning my color. And also, as I slice the hair, through the left side, I slice the hair thicker, the right area a little bit finer. So still working with asymmetric slices, again, through the left portion finer, working towards the left area, I'll take the slice a bit heavier. Okay, and for the greatest amount of control, you always want to be standing in front of what you're working. That way you can see every detail that you need to calculate within your mind. And again, working with these diagonal sections towards the crown area, and with each progressive section, I'm building the color slightly heavier. Alright, there we go. Enjoy.